How to create Gmail account without phone number verification. First things first, open up your main settings app. Once you're in, just scroll down a little bit until you find Accounts and Backup. Go ahead and give that a tap. Next, tap right on Manage Accounts at the very top. You'll see a list of whatever apps you're already logged into. Just scroll past all of those to the very bottom of the page and hit Add Account. Since we're setting up a brand new email, select Google from the list of options. Your phone might do a quick security check or ask for your fingerprint here, which is totally normal. Just let it load up. Now we're on the official Google sign-in page. Instead of typing anything into the box, look down at the bottom left corner and tap Create Account. It's going to ask if this is for you or a business. For this tutorial, let's just go ahead and choose For My Personal Use. Easy enough, right? On this next screen, just type in your first name and your surname. The last name is optional, so don't sweat it if you want to leave it blank. Hit Next, and then just punch in your birthday and your gender. Once that's set, click Next again to move on to the fun part. Google is going to throw a couple of random, messy email suggestions at you, but we want a clean one. Tap on Create Your Own Gmail Address. This opens up a fresh text box where you can type out the exact custom username you want. Pick something easy to remember and tap Next. Go ahead and type in a strong password here. Now here is the trick. Because we started this setup directly through your phone's native account settings menu, instead of a web browser, Google's system automatically flags you as a real human mobile user. This means it completely skips the mandatory phone number verification screen. Look at that. It brings us straight to the Review Your Account info page. No phone number required. Just hit Next. Finally, you'll see the standard Privacy and Terms page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click that big blue I agree button. Give it just a couple of seconds to sync up to your device, and boom, you are completely done. Your brand new Gmail account is officially active, fully set up, and ready to use without ever tying your phone number to it. If this quick walkthrough saved you a headache, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more easy tech tips. Drop a comment below if it worked for you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.